Graduation. It's a decisive moment in forging a person's identity. It's the moment in time where a sense of affinity and belonging with your institution fully take root. The strength of that connection is vital to maintaining a meaningful relationship with your alumni. So how do you make the most of that final opportunity to connect in person? Hi, I'm Tom. I'm the founder and CEO of Squareshare, and our mission is to help you create that sense of affinity and belonging amongst your graduates and bring a sense of fun to the graduation experience. We attend graduation with our unique and innovative social media printer. Graduates take a picture on their smartphone and upload it to Instagram or Twitter using a hashtag chosen by your institution. Our technology then downloads their image and prints it out. It's completely automated and takes just 30 seconds. These beautiful lab quality photo prints are always customised with your university or alumni association branding, and they're there for graduates to take away immediately for free.
Squareshare allows us to communicate and work with our graduates in a different way. Rather than asking them to come to us, it allows us to go to them. It allows us to engage with them in ways they want to engage, and it's a lot more personalised to them. I originally thought it would be a nice response and oh, that's a nice thing to have, but actually the real enthusiasm that some students and graduates show for it is really impressive. They're hanging around the stall for a while, so you have an opportunity to say, you know, what did you study, what are you doing now? I have those conversations. Social media impact has been really big. Our hashtag use of LiveUniGrads rocketed from what it previously used. We were trending on the UK at one point, and we had some really good stats coming through, and it has allowed us to find our graduates on social media really well.
Working with Squareshare as part of our graduation ceremonies has been really valuable in terms of raising awareness of the Alumni Association, the added value of the Alumni Association and the work that we do. Since we've introduced Squareshare over the last couple of years, we've seen a real increase in our social media content during graduations. It's provided an opportunity to extend our reach in terms of our social sharing, etc.
Yeah, I think it does create a positive sense for our graduates. Certainly from speaking to a lot of them who have received photos over the 2.5 weeks, a lot of them have great feelings towards the fact that it was a free gift from the university. I always knew it would be popular with graduates, but I probably didn't realise how popular. We've had quite a lot of growth in our Instagram and Twitter followers, and there's been a substantial spike in numbers following our pages. I definitely recommend using Squareshare. It's certainly an excellent engagement tool and a great start to the graduate's life as an alumni.
It's a moment in time, you've got it there, you've got it captured forever, and you can even print off a couple of extra ones for family and friends.
I think giving the free pictures away is just, it puts the university in a good light.
It makes you feel valued. It makes you feel like every single person that has attended this university has got the option. You know, they're remembered by the university. The university wants to celebrate their attendance and their achievements.
I was so excited. It's such a nice snippet of the memory, because we all got these photos, but it's nice to have the actual uni and the class and stuff. I feel like we wouldn't have got that otherwise.
These will be going on the wall really easily.
I have never been more excited in my life.
We were very excited because we don't have any physical photos.
Yeah.
We live in a digital age. I don't even know where I would get a photo printed. So to have it available at graduation is very nice.
I like having physical memories as well as digital ones. Having something physical makes it feel more real.
I will get only one degree in my whole life. Having this memorabilia to have a memory of it, it's absolutely amazing.
When I get home, I'm going to put them on the fridge. I'm going to be posting them out to grannies, aunties, uncles, cousins. Everybody's going to get a copy.
After graduation, I'm planning to put up the pictures on my wall, and I've also got a couple that I'm going to send to my nan who wasn't able to make it today.
I'm planning on dispersing the pictures amongst my family, putting some in a photo album, and then sort of putting some out in my bedroom just to see. I probably will keep them for a long time. It's a lifetime memory.
My picture of myself is going to go on the fridge where I can have a look at it every morning when I'm gearing myself up with a coffee to go out and face the world.
The one word I would use to describe Squareshare is unique. What you're getting is unique. You're not getting that offer from anywhere else. It shows that moment in time and what you were doing, and is a real memory that's there to last.